So our programs are accelerated training programs designed for prospective students to come in, get trained up quickly, and then go immediately to work. So we work very closely with employers. That's my role. I really set up those opportunities through employers so that they have lots of wonderful options to go to work when they're done. We have an array of healthcare programs from patient care tech to medical assistant and community health worker. And then we also have an array of programs in the manufacturing and trades area, such as welding and HVAC tech, and even the Boeing pre-employment training program, which has been around for about 18 years.
My favorite learning technique is definitely hands-on. I like being in the field. I love being on the range. Recruiters from different companies often come through and they talk to you and they tell you about, career aspects and goals and how far you can go. If I want to drive locally, if I want to drive nationwide, if I want to drive to Canada and things like that, I will be able to.
Whether you're transitioning from something else or fresh out of high school or whatever your situation happens to be, you want to provide a little better for your family. That's what we're here to do. We're here to get you through this one way or another. We don't give up on people.
I was in home health care. Thanks to the education I got through St. Louis Community College, I was able to make the transition to becoming a patient care technician at Barnes-Jewish Hospital. Having actually achieved my goal has been just so worth the effort coming here, and I can't recommend coming here enough.